Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel, and to all my viewers all over the world, thank you for showing support to this amazing lady right here. Before we talk about how to identify and remove copyright images or sounds from your YouTube videos after getting a copyright strike, let's talk about what a copyright is. A copyright grants an exclusive legal right to an intellectual property. New YouTubers usually fall victim of this copyright strike simply because they don't have much experience when it comes to YouTube content creating. They unconsciously use sounds, images on their YouTube content that have been copyrighted by the real owner, and this might lead to a copyright strike if care is not taken. So they tend to fall victim of this copyright issue. Once you have a copyright claim on your YouTube video, it's either YouTube have detected a copyright property on your YouTube video, or the owner of the copyright property have reported your YouTube video. And this automatically means that the owner of the copyright property on your YouTube video can monetize it. Trust me, I know this can be really frustrating, especially when you have put a lot of effort into creating that content. In a few seconds, I will be showing you how to identify and remove copyright images, sounds from your videos after getting a copyright strike. First thing you need to do is go to your profile, click on where the arrow is pointing at, then it takes you to another page. Scroll down, yes, scroll down, then click on view more analytics in studio. Then afterwards click on content. It takes you to where all your contents are. Then click on the video that has a copyright. Then it takes you to this page. Then click on view more. After clicking on view more, it takes you to another page. Click on review issue. After clicking on review issue, then you find the copyright images, sound, graphics that gave you a copyright strike or claim. As you can see in this video, Chris Brown's song Under the Influence that I used in my video gave me a copyright claim. Click on the song to remove the copyright song. Then afterwards, it's either you mute the copyright song or trim out the segment where the copyright song is in your video. Give it some time for it to process. After some time, your YouTube video will be copyright free. If you have a copyright claim on your video, it's high time you remove it as fast as possible, because having a series of copyright claims can lead to a copyright strike and your account on YouTube can get terminated. I know you don't want to take that risk. If this video has been so far helpful to you, please kindly like, share and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you.